Nokia 603 is a brilliant package of up-to-date functions that make customers enthralled. It comes loaded with features like 1 GHz processor, 3.5-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen, accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, 2G, 3G, GPRS, Edge, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 5-megapixel camera, memory expandability up to 32 GB, and social network integration. The Symbian Belle operating system, upgradable to Belle FP1, proves to be the apt platform for multitasking, 2D and 3D graphics, and motion-based games. With a 1 GHz processor, the handset becomes really powerful and fast. Nokia 603 has a 3.5 inches IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that displays 16 million colors in 360 x 640 pixels resolution. The Nokia Clear Black display makes every image so sharp and clear, and the scratch-resistant glass takes care of protection criteria. It favors multi-touch input method. The accelerometer sensor takes care of the type of view on the screen, and the proximity sensor governs the auto turn-off function. The user can personalize up to 6 home screens, compiling different applications, wallpapers, and widgets for email, music, etc. according to one's own wish and requirement. Browsing in the Java-enabled handset is undoubtedly a different experience. The built-in browser supports both HTML and web views, and therefore watching a video or navigating through different websites becomes so colorful and life-filled. The 3G function enables the user to enjoy uninterrupted and speedy internet usage, and using the Wi-Fi connectivity, one can latch on to any available LAN network to remain online anytime, anywhere. Nokia 603 comes with free lifetime walk and drive navigation, including turn-by-turn voice guidance. The GPS support is indeed trustworthy, as it provides clear-cut guidelines as to how to travel to the required destination. The possibilities opened for social networking is huge. Facebook and Twitter applications are accessible in just a click, and so every friend is just a click away. Nokia 603 comes preloaded with best applications around for business, email, maps, and more. The Nokia Store is a perfect hub for latest applications for travel, messaging, games, etc. Nokia 603 is loaded with a 5-megapixel camera with fixed focus, geotagging, and face detection features. This makes sure that every picture clicked is properly lit and focused, and can also be immediately shared with loved ones. Not only photos, but also videotaping is possible in the handset at 30 frames per second. Indeed, a strong replacement for a digital camera. The handset has a 2 GB internal memory with 512 MB RAM and 1 GB ROM. It is expandable up to 32 GB that opens a vast storage capacity for umpteen number of data files, music files, and videos. The multimedia functions are equally sophisticated to read all the common audio and video formats like MP3, MP4, WAV, WMA, etc. The Dolby Digital Plus sound clarity is so promising that one never misses to listen to clear and lucid music. Other miscellaneous features in the handset are active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo editor, organizer, office document editor, voice command, predictive text input, etc. The handset is powered by a standard BP3L lithium-ion battery that extends talk time up to 16 hours in 2G and 7 hours in 3G. The standby capacity is up to 460 hours in 2G and 470 hours in 3G. The user can enjoy playing music continuously up to 75 hours. Indeed, a strong battery backup. The slender handset looks really exciting in white, black, fuchsia, and green colors. Every key is aptly placed according to convenience. The volume rocker and the camera key are placed on the right pane, while the lock button, USB port, and the 3.5mm audio jack are placed on the top.